So we're nearing the end of the day, and I think I just want to get you guys a little bit more familiar with the platform. So we bought at the 1 week expiration, but let's look at some of the prices at the 2 week expiration. Okay, so we see that an option price around where we bought for the 1 week would be the 47.5 call. And let's just take a look and see how it performs. So in the description, I actually talk about how bids and asks can actually be misleading, and you could actually end up overpaying if you're not careful. So right here, you can see that we have bids at 24 cents and we have ask of 33, but we see that there's a mark price of 28.5 with a last trade of 28 cents. So a normal trader, you might just come in and when you look to buy, you see that it's at 29, you might put it at 29 and it'll execute immediately. We know that there are people willing to pay for it at 24 cents, but let's see if there are people that are selling it for 25 cents. Nope. All right, let's try 26 cents. We'll throw in 26. Voila. So we were just able to sell it at 26, but have the options tell you, and we would have only been able to buy in at 29 or 28. So that's why I always recommend, if you want to get into it now, start at the bid and work your way up to see what people are willing to sell it for. So now we have 2 contracts, and our contracts are going to average out to 28 cents because the first one we bought was at 30 cents. The second one we bought was at 26 cents. Now, I do not recommend doing this because what can happen when you continue to add to a position is if that position ends up losing, then you could enter what's known as a wash sale.